Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you the chapter algebraic expressions, and in previous video I have explained you about addition of algebraic expressions. But I got one comment in the comment section to explain that topic once again. So I will be explaining only one example again, that how we have to add the algebraic expressions. So first example I am going to explain it to you. 5x square minus 7x plus 3 bracket will be closed. This is the first algebraic expression. Again bracket, second algebraic expression. Then again there will be a bracket, third algebraic expression. So whenever you are adding or subtracting any algebraic expressions, first of all you have to keep them in brackets. Now the second step is to open up the brackets. So how will you open the brackets? You have studied in the chapter integers also. Plus minus is minus, minus minus is plus, and plus plus is plus. So in the same way you have to do. So the first algebraic expression, before this algebraic expression there is no symbol given. So by default we used to consider positive symbol. So once we will open this bracket, it will be 5x square minus 7x plus 3. Now coming to this one, plus minus minus, so minus 8x square, plus plus plus, plus minus minus, so minus 5, and then plus 7x square minus x minus 2. So as you all can see that I have opened the brackets. Now what I have to do, I have to collect the like terms. I have to collect all the like terms together. This and this and this. All the three terms are having same coefficient, that is x square. That means the literal factor of these three terms are same, x square. So it is 5x square minus 8x square plus 7x square. See, if you want that there should be no confusion while solving the questions, what you can do is you can underline the terms which you are writing. So I have underlined, so I have written these three. Now coming to this one, the terms containing the coefficient as x. So this is containing x as a coefficient minus 7x, underline this once you write this. Now plus 2x, then minus x. I have underlined the terms in order to avoid any confusion. Now this is left, constants are left, plus 3 minus 5 minus 2. Underline them also. So as you all can see that I have written all the terms and I have kept all the like terms together. Now what is the next step? The next step is to add the like terms. So to add the like terms, let me rub this first. Yes. So as you all can see that 5x square minus 8x square plus 7x square. So this is also having x square, this is also having x square, and this is also having x square. Either what you can do, you can take x square common. In the bracket it will be 5 minus 8 plus 7 as it is given in your maths book. So 5 minus 8 is, either you have to solve from, this is the whole algebraic expression. या तो आप इसको इस तरफ से सॉल्व करना शुरू करेंगे या फिर आप इस तरफ से शुरू करेंगे. Either solve from extreme right or from extreme left. So I am solving from here. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3x square. Now what is remaining? Plus 7x square. That is remaining. Now plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So here it will be 4x square. Now next one, minus 7 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 7 plus 2 minus 1. So I am solving from here. Minus 7 plus 2 plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So here minus 5 is left. Minus 5 minus 1. The coefficient is x. So minus 5x minus 1x. So minus 5 minus 1, minus minus plus, and sign किसकी लगती है? Minus की लगती है as per the chapter integers. So here it will be minus 6x. Now last one, plus 3 minus 5 minus 2. So I am solving from here. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2, and minus 2, this minus 2 is also left. So minus 2 is माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड साइन किसकी लगती है आपकी, नेगेटिव साइन. सो एट द एंड इट विल बी -4. So I hope you must have understood, students, how to add the algebraic expressions. Okay. Now let me explain you about subtraction of algebraic expressions. How do we subtract the algebraic expressions? That is also very easy. The only things which you need to keep in your mind is the rules which I have explained you in the chapter integers. You have to follow all those rules, then you will be able to subtract the algebraic expressions very easily. Okay students, so now the difference of two like terms is a like term whose coefficient is the difference of the numerical coefficient of the two like terms. Okay, so for example, if you want to subtract, I'm giving you a question, you have to reply to me the answer of this question in the comment section. Subtract 7x square from 4x square. One thing I have already told you, whenever anything is written just after this word from, that is going to come first. From के बाद जो term लिखा होता है while performing the method of subtraction, that term is going to come first. So this is written after from, so it will come first. So 4x square subtract लिखा है तो that is by minus 7x square. Now plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number, so the final answer will be minus 3x square, right? Either you can take common 4 minus 7 within bracket and then x square outside, because this 4 is multiplied by x square also and then by 7 also. So 4 minus 7 is minus 3, so the final answer will be minus 3x square. Okay students, so this is how we used to subtract. Now what are the rules which we follow whenever, so this was a monomial, this was a algebraic expression containing one term. So now if we talk about polynomials, how do we subtract? If we talk about the algebraic expressions that are polynomials, means that are having more than one term, so how do we subtract them? Firstly, the first step is to keep them in the bracket. So let me explain you example number 4. Example number 3 I am not explaining, I am explaining you example number 4, because that is containing algebraic expression of in the form of fractions. Okay, so take away 8 upon 5 x square minus 2 upon 3 x cube plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 bracket closed from 8 upon 5 x square minus 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 by 2 x minus 1. Right students? So how do we solve this? As I told you, anything which is written after this word from, that is going to come first. जो चीज़ from के बाद लिखी होगी वो आपकी during the subtraction process will come first. So which algebraic expression is going to come first? That is written after the word from. So x cube upon 5, okay, minus 3 by 2 x square, x cube upon 5 minus 3 by 2 x square plus 2 by 3 x plus 1 upon 4. So we have to keep this algebraic expression in bracket. Now which algebraic expression we have to subtract? We have to subtract this one, minus 8 upon 5 x square minus 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 bracket closed. So as you all can see that I have kept both the algebraic expressions into bracket. Within bracket it should be there. Now the next step is to open the bracket. What is the next step? The next step is to open up the brackets. So now let me open the bracket for you. So the first algebraic expression is not having any sign, means if there is no sign, by default we used to consider positive sign. तो positive sign जब भी algebraic expression के आगे दिया है, then there will be no change in the signs of the terms of the algebraic expression. बट येस इफ नेगेटिव साइन विल बी गिवन देन देयर विल बी अ चेंज. आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे, यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस when I am going to open this bracket. So it will be like this: x cube upon 5 minus 3 upon 2x square plus 2 upon 3x plus 1 by 4. Now let me rub this. Now I am opening this bracket. So this is positive, this is negative. So plus minus minus. So here it will be minus 8 upon 5 x square. Now this minus and this minus. In the chapter integers, during multiplication of integers, you have studied that minus minus is plus. तो माइनस माइनस जब मल्टीप्लाई होंगे आपस में तो किस में चेंज हो जाएंगे? 2 negatives become positive, 3 negatives become negative. I have explained you that negative sign in even number is positive. Negative sign in odd number is negative during multiplication. So here there are 2 negative sign even number, so this will become positive. 2 by 3 x cube. Now minus plus minus, minus plus minus. See, it was plus, but once it was multiplied by this minus, it became minus. So 3 by 2x. Now again minus and minus. This minus and this minus, 2 negatives will become positive. So as you all can see that this was having a positive sign before it. A positive sign was given in the first algebraic expression. So no change in signs were there in the terms. But once there was a negative sign, there is a change in the terms of the sign of the terms of the algebraic expressions. जो positive है वो negative बन गया, जो negative है वो क्या बन गया? Positive बन गया, vice versa. The positive has became negative, negative has became positive. Okay, because before the bracket there was a negative sign given over here. So now I have opened the bracket. Now what will be the next step? The next step is to collect all the like terms together and adding them. So whenever you are writing algebraic expression, the first thing which you need to keep in your mind is, see, this is having highest power, x cube. This is having the power less than this. So you have to arrange all the algebraic expression in decreasing order of their powers. In decreasing order of their powers. This is the proper way to arrange the algebraic expressions, to arrange the terms of the algebraic expression. This algebraic expression is not arranged properly. Why this is not arranged properly? Because x square is written before x cube. So this term should come first. So if I ask you to arrange this algebraic expression in a proper way, so how will you arrange? Let me explain you that also. 2 by 3 x cube will come first. It was having positive sign, so no sign before it. This is negative. So this will be like this: 8 upon 5 x square, then minus 3 by 2x plus 1. This was additional knowledge which I have given to you. Now let me rub this. That is why I used to tell that you have to watch each and every video and you have to comment down in the comment section, because that helps you to practice and learn the things more quickly. आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आती हैं चीज़ें. Okay? Now collecting all the like terms together. So this is x cube and this is x cube. Both the coefficients are same. So x cube upon 5 plus 2 by 3 x cube. Since it is not having any coefficient before it, so by default 1 has to be considered as the coefficient. If it would have been minus x cube, तो minus 1 होता है इसका coefficient, right? Now coming to x square, minus 3 by 2 x square minus 8 upon 5 x square. Now coming to this one, x term, plus 2 by 3 x minus 3 by 2 x. Now coming to the constants, 1 upon 4 plus 1. So as you all can see that I have kept all the like terms together. I have collected all the like terms together. Now I am going to add them. Okay? Yes. So 5 and 3 are which type of numbers? If you know the answer, you have to reply to me in the comment section. Yes students, very good. 3 and 5 are prime numbers and also they are a pair of co-prime. Now what are co-prime numbers? If you know the answer, you have to reply to me in the comment section. Co-prime numbers are the numbers which do not have any other factor apart from 1, common factor apart from 1. So 3 और 5 का 1 के अलावा कोई भी common factor नहीं है. That means their HCF is 1. So these are co-prime. So whenever we are talking about the LCM of co-prime numbers, the LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. So what is the LCM of 5 and 3? If you know the answer, please reply to me in the comment section. Very good. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now to make it 15, 5 has to be multiplied by 3, and to make it 15, 3 has to be multiplied by 5. So 1 3s are 3. So 3x cube plus 2 5s are, सॉरी यहाँ पे आपका क्यूब आएगा, मैंने बाय मिस्टेक एक्स स्क्वायर लिख दिया था. 2 5s are 10. So 10x cube upon 15. I have retained a common denominator. Okay, 3x cube plus 10x cube upon 15. I have solved this much of the question. Now coming to this part, x square, the powers of 2, I am going to solve them. Minus minus क्या होता है बेटा? Please reply to me in the comment section. Minus minus is plus, and 2 and 5 are also a pair of co-prime. Why they are called a pair of co-prime? Because 2 and 5 do not have any other common factor apart from 1. That means the HCF of 2 and 5 is 1. So to make it 10, their product is their LCM. To make it 10, it has to be multiplied by 5, and this number has to be multiplied by 2. And what we do, the number by which we are multiplying the denominator, we are going to multiply the numerator by the same number. So 3 5s are 15, so it will be minus 15x square minus 8 2s are 16x square. The denominator was same, we have retained this common denominator 10. Okay. Now let me solve the next part of the question. 2 by 3x minus 3 by 2x. 2 and 3 both are co-prime numbers. They do not have any other common factor apart from 1. So the LCM will be their product. So to make it 6, 3 has to be multiplied by 2. Same goes with the numerator. To make it 6, 2 has been multiplied by 3. Same goes with the numerator. Okay. So now 2 2s are 4. It will be 4x minus 3 3s are 9. 9x upon 6. Because we have retained the common denominator, we have solved this part also. Now 1 by 4 plus 1. Since 1 is not having any denominator, by default we will consider 1 as the denominator. Now what is the LCM of 4 and 1? The LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. So to make it 4, 1 has to be multiplied by 4. So here it will be 1 plus 4 upon 4. Done? Up to here all of you have understood? Because if you will listen to me carefully in each and every step, then only you will be clear about it. Now 10 plus 3 is 13 upon 15 x cube minus 15 minus 16. Minus minus plus and sign of the greatest number. और यहाँ पे माइनस की ही साइन लगेगी. बोथ आर हैविंग नेगेटिव साइन. सो इट इज़ माइनस 31 अपॉन 10 एक्स स्क्वायर. नाउ प्लस 4 माइनस 9. Sign of the greatest number, plus minus minus. So minus 5 upon 6 x plus 5 upon 4. So we have solved this algebraic expression. We have subtracted it, and this is how we subtract the algebraic expressions. I hope you must have understood, students. Now this was informative video. Explanation part is done in this chapter. Now I am going to solve some questions from exercise, but not today. I will be solving the exercise question in tomorrow's video. So if you have any problem, any difficulty, please comment down in the comment section. अगर समझ में आया है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. Bye bye, take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.